Have you ever wondered how one night could change the lives of thousands forever? This is the story of the Bhopal Gas Tragedy, a catastrophic event that unfolded in the dead of the night, forever marking its date in history. On the night of December 2nd, 1984, the city of Bhopal in India was about to witness one of the worst industrial disasters of the 20th century. The city, known for its picturesque lakes and vibrant history, was home to the Union Carbide India Limited pesticide plant. That fateful night, a leak from the plant released 40 tons of methyl isocyanate gas into the city's air. The gas, denser than air, settled over the city, turning the night into a living nightmare. Thousands were affected, their lungs burning, eyes tearing, bodies convulsing in pain. By the time dawn broke, the streets of Bhopal were a grim tableau of death and suffering. In the immediate aftermath, more than 3,000 people were reported dead, a number that would rise to 15,000 over the coming years. Over 500,000 people were exposed to the deadly gas, many of whom still suffer from debilitating illnesses. Over time, the tragedy became a symbol for industrial negligence and the fight for justice. The company, Union Carbide, and its officials were charged with various offences, but the wheels of justice turned slowly. The victims and their families are still fighting for adequate compensation and medical aid, marking a long and arduous journey towards justice. In the aftermath of the tragedy, the plant was abandoned, leaving behind a toxic wasteland. Even today, the soil and groundwater around the plant are heavily contaminated, affecting the health of the local population. The Bhopal gas tragedy is more than just a catastrophic event in history. It is a stark reminder of the devastating consequences of industrial negligence and the ongoing struggle for justice. To recap, we delved into the chilling night of December 2nd, 1984, where a gas leak in Bhopal turned into a living nightmare. We explored the immediate and long-term effects, highlighting the death toll and the health impacts on those exposed. We touched upon the subsequent legal battles and the ongoing fight for justice. Lastly, we discussed the environmental impact, with the abandoned plant still posing a threat to the local population. The Bhopal gas tragedy serves as a grim reminder that the price of industrial negligence is paid by innocent lives, and the fight for justice can span over decades. It underscores the importance of industrial safety measures and the need for swift and fair justice in the face of such disasters.